Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about most important topics of law ethics and communication. So this video is very important for you guys, and even before this also I have uploaded one video in Hindi and English both languages. This video is available in Hindi and English both languages. So the link is below this video in the description. So in the previous video I have uploaded the video in the before this video. So in that video I have given some short tricks how to study law paper and how to prepare for examinations, and I have given business law some tricks, means some important questions in that video, and this is the second video for that. So let's start with this video. Now company law, it is very important. Company law is very important in law ethics and communication, and guys, in the practical aspect also it is very important. So guys, you have to just memorize all the books, all the questions of the book, but the topics which I am going to share with you, you have to give a special focus on that topic. So the first is conversion of private to public or public to private, incorporation of company, effect of registration, MOA, AOA, then prospectus. In prospectus, all type of prospectus you have to revise, then remedies and against directors. In this prospectus, even they can ask you some case laws. So case law also you have to revise, and deposits, effect of irregular allotment, underwriting sources of funds or buyback, contract, further issue of capital like right issue and alteration, reduction of share capital. So what are the cases of this? So you have to revise all the cases, where is reduction, where is alteration. Okay, so what is alteration and right issue, this all things, what is right issue, you have to just revise this also. Then transmission of shares, capitalization of profit, registration of charges, meeting you have to revise full, means all things, everything in meeting you have to revise, because meeting is very important chapter. So the most important chapter is meeting, means nearly 8 marks, 10 marks, it may be over there that nearly 8 or 10 marks questions can be from meeting only. So this is very important chapter, and meeting you have to revise. Without meeting you don't go over there. Now next is Negotiable Instrument Act. Guys, I would recommend that some of my students, they have feel that negotiable instrument is very means this is, they feel that this is tough to understand for CIPCC students. So from most of students I listen this word. So guys, if you feel that Negotiable Instrument Act is tough for you, then what you can do, you can skip this negotiable instrument, and because the paper is for, means there is some additional questions in the paper, not 100 marks, it is for 116 marks, 116 marks. Sometimes it comes around 120 marks, because in the last question there are 20 marks questions, and on that you have to do 4 out of 5. So nearly sometimes it is 116 marks, or sometimes it is 120 marks. So if you wish that you are confident in the rest of the part, then you can skip this negotiable instrument. Otherwise, if you are not confident, then go and revise this negotiable instrument also. If you want to revise from videos, then I have uploaded the videos of negotiable instruments, and you can revise from that video also. I'll just share you with those topics. Promissory note, bill of exchange, provisions relating to maturity of days on grace. So grace period, how to calculate the grace period, I think you might have learned is CPT also. So days of grace you can revise from there. Even they can give you some practical question from grace period. Okay, how to calculate the grace period, and it may come around for 4 marks. Just revise this also. Check and essential features, crossing, means whatever the crossing types, 4 or 5 types there are crossing types. So all the crossing types you have to revise. Conditions of holder, then HDC, and then differences between HDC and holder, then endorsement, rules regarding dishonor of notice of dishonor, liability of banker, then offense, bouncing of check. When we come to ethics part, so in ethics part, no economic growth without ecological cost. So this is one chapter, means they can give you some questions like they can give you some line that you have to just define this line. So this type of line you might have seen in your books also, and this is also an important thing, that in this in this line you can if you write this line, so this economic growth without ecological cost, so you will get to know the economic growth also and ecological cost. So these 2 points also you have to revise, economic growth and ecological cost. Okay, so these 2 points are also very important. Then second is ethics and morals, iron law of responsibility, social accountability 8000, corporate governance and characteristics. Guys, I have uploaded short tricks of this all things. Okay, corporate governance and characteristics. So I have uploaded the short tricks for this also. Honesty and fairness and honesty are pillar of success in business. So this is a one point you have to explain this point. So this type of points normally they give you in examinations. Then measures to ensure ethics at workplace and harassment at workplace. This is very important topic. You have to just revise this topic very carefully. Sustainable development and responsibility of industries. The next is guidelines, themes of consumer protection, consumer rights. There is one video on this Consumer Protection Act, and in consumer rights, I have given a short trick in that video. So if you want to watch that same video, so you can visit to my YouTube channel and you can see that video. Then creating ethical environment in companies, reasons of unethical behavior among finance and accounting professionals. These all short tricks I have uploaded, means all the short tricks of the heading of these chapters I have uploaded in my video YouTube channel. If you go for the communication, so in communication process, then principal merits, demerits of oral communication. There are various merits and demerits is given in your book. So if you revise only 4 to 5, then that is enough. So not more than that, you don't need to revise more than that. Okay, just revise 4 and 5. That is more than enough, because the question come for around 4 marks. Then barriers of communication, especially symmetric barriers, you have to revise betterly. Then ethical dilemma, affidavit and gift deed, notice of meeting. So these whole things, affidavit and gift deed, you have to revise very carefully, because nearly 4 marks they can give you from this, and even notice of meeting also. So this was the important topics what can come in examinations, guys. If you want to visit my YouTube channel, so just open the YouTube and go over there and /c/Ravindra Ojha. This is my YouTube channel link. Directly you can visit on my YouTube channel. Okay, and if you are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe. Press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification of the latest video. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day.